Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, now in this particular video we are going to be looking at a custom indicator named trend confirmation indicator. All right, the trend confirmation indicator is quite an effective indicator. It helps to provide clear visual direction of market trends. Now it's a custom indicator, meaning you have to download it from an external source because it's not readily available on the MetaTrader platform. Okay, so you have to download it and then add it to your indicators library. So I'm just going to be adding the indicators to the chart right away because I have already downloaded it. Okay, this is the trend confirmation indicator. So as we can see on the chart, it's quite straightforward. Okay, the indicator is quite straightforward. It helps you to identify the direction of the trend, and in addition to that, the indicator gives you alert. Can you see this alert that just popped up right now? The indicator also gives you alert. The alert here says B bands going down on GBP JPY 60, right? This is a 1 hour time frame, so you can see 60 minutes. So when you get an alert, it shows the direction which you might want to enter a position in, right? So in addition to the fact that this indicator shows you direction of the trend, with these lines, this is a sell trend. So you can see this line above the candlesticks. It shows that it's a sell trend, right? And then for the buy trend, we can see that there is a blue line below the candlesticks. So when you have a blue line below the candlesticks, trending upwards, it shows a buy trend. When you have a red line above the candlesticks trending downwards, it shows a sell trend. Okay, quite easy. So once you have identified the direction of the trend, if you get an alert, you can decide to enter a position, in the direction of, the direction which the alert is telling you. If not, you can just watch out for continuation patterns in the direction of the trend. I'm going to recommend using this trend confirmation indicator in trending markets alone. All right, I'm going to recommend using it in trending markets alone. So once you've identified a sell trend, for example, as we can see, this is a sell trend, then you should be looking for sell opportunities. All right, you should be looking for only sell opportunities in a sell trend and looking for only buy opportunities in a bullish trend. All right, so in this case, we can see that when the price got to the got towards the resistance level, the dynamic resistance level identified by the trend line, it has been a good opportunity to enter a sell, right? You can see that the sell signal started forming from around here, right? From around this point. This was where our first the red line, the red dot formed. Okay, the red dot first of all formed. Okay, after the red dot formed, then the lines began to connect the dots together, and after the red dot forms, it could be a sign to enter a sell. Okay, it shows that a sell move is actually coming. A sell move is incoming. All right. So after you enter a sell trade, you can set your stop loss above the swing high. And then for your take profit, you can actually decide to use support levels for your take profit, or you can decide to wait for a blue dot to form. All right. When a blue dot forms, you can use that to exit your sell trade. Now, given the current price activity, we can see that a red dot has formed already. So if we want to take this signal, we can decide to enter a sell after this red dot has formed. So if you are a scalper and let's say you are trading this bull move, right? If you are a scalper and let's say you are trading this bull move, after this blue dot formed, as this red dot has formed, you would have exited your buy trade immediately after the blue dot forms. Okay, so the blue dot is a sell signal, and the blue dot could also be a signal to exit your buy. Sorry, the red dot is a sell signal, and the red dot could also be a signal to exit your buy trade. On the other hand, the blue dot is a buy signal, and the blue dot could also be a signal to exit your sell trade. Okay, then the lines, the lines connecting the dots, for example, lines connecting the red dots, trending downwards shows that this is a sell trend. Lines connecting the blue dots, trending upwards shows that it's a buy trend. Right, let's look for another example. Okay, as you can see, in a consolidation market, you can see how the price the indicator, sorry, was moving sideways. So I will not recommend using this indicator in a ranging market, okay, because you might get some false signals. You can see how the indicator was flat, moving sideways. Okay, so stay away from consolidation markets when using the trend confirmation indicator. Right, as the name implies, trend confirmation indicator, it's ideal for trending markets. Okay, you should use the indicator to confirm trends and use the indicator to trade in direction of trends. All right, so now we can see that we have a bullish trend around here. Right, we have a bullish trend around here. Okay, so the bullish trend actually started around here first, and then after that we had a pullback. Okay, we had a significant pullback, and this red line indicated by the trend confirmation indicator showed us that there was actually a bearish move. And then right after that we had a bullish continuation. Okay, you can see that the bullish trend resumed. Right, so the blue line below the candlesticks confirmed the bullish move that was ongoing. Okay, so we would have considered entering a buy trade around here. Okay, given the fact that this is now a bullish trend, so we would have considered entering the buy trade around here as the price bounced off the indicator. So after entering the buy trade, we can consider setting our stop loss below the previous swing low. Sorry. After entering a buy trade, we can consider setting our stop loss below the previous swing low. And then for our take profit, we can actually decide to use resistance levels. Right? We can decide to use resistance levels. For example, you set your take profit around here or higher levels, depending on your risk to reward ratio. So long as you have a good risk to reward ratio, you can use resistance levels to set your take profit. Or if you are a swing trader, you want to just ride the trend till the very end, you can decide to wait for the red dots to form. After the red dot forms, you exit your buy trade. It's as easy as that. Okay, well, make sure you always get confirmations. All right, please confirm your entries, confirm your exits. Make use of horizontal support and resistance levels. Make use of trend lines as well. All right, you can also use other indicators to confirm your trades, entries, and exits. Okay, and do not risk more than 2% of your capital in one single trade. All right, it's not advisable at all. Make sure you always observe good risk management. Okay, it's very important. So if you found this video insightful, kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. All right. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. I wish you a very happy trading.